Hi, welcome to Diadem Analytics. My name is Happy Chukwudi KVP, and today I just want to walk you through this simple dynamic sales dashboard. Okay, in here I have used the DAX, that is data analysis expression to calculate these very uh, variables we have here. We have the total sales, we have the last 4 weeks sales average, we have last 2 weeks sales average, and last 7 days sales average. And we have in here sales by state, kind of map representation of our sales. Okay, so in here I have the top four best selling products. So it has the quantity sold, the sales value, and the percentage of sales. So for each of these products ranking. So here we have the bottom three performing products, just similar to the top. So why these are the top selling products. These ones are the bottom three, okay, selling products. So we have the quantity, we have as well here the values, that's the sales values, and we have in here the percentage sales. Okay, here we have sales by city, okay, and we have here sales by month. Okay, so these are the slices. So we have the year, the quarter, and then the month slices. So you can pick up this. It's a very interactive dashboard. You can go to the second quarter and see what the sales is like. So you can have that. You can pick out the months. So you can see we have 2019, we have the second quarter, we have April. So this is the total sales for the month. We have these as the average last 4 weeks sales, average last 2 weeks sales to this date, and then average last 7 days, the last 7 days to today. Okay, sales. Okay, so we can to that very date. Okay. Uh, okay, because we don't have data for 2020 April, so we can uncheck this, and we can come over to this place. Okay, so we pick 2020. Great. So we just have the data for January, just this. The last 4 days to the last date in that in our selection, 7 days to the last date in January. Okay, last 2 weeks to the last date in January. Last 4 weeks to the last date in January. Okay, so that's just it, and that's just how these dashboard functions. Okay, before we go, I observed something, and I just want to make one or two corrections. Okay, when we selected April for 2020, we don't have data for this period, and we have these errors. Okay, so let's correct them quickly. So let's just say if error. Oh, so if error, we just want to return something. Okay. Let's say we just say no data. All right, and we close this. Okay, that's better. So we go again. Error. One return no data. Yeah, better. Great. So we don't just have those errors there. So we don't just have those errors. So great. We can go back, uncheck this, and we have data back. Right. Okay. Thank you. Um, I believe we'll come back to it. I'll show you the walkthrough from the data cleaning to all the calculations and how I arrived at this dashboard. So stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to Diadem Analytics, please go on and do that and like what we're doing here. Thank you so much.